Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Dave, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday was pretty normal. I went to work in the morning, then I came home in the evening.
Was it a busy day?
Yeah, it was pretty busy. I had a lot of things to do, but everything went okay.
That's good. What time did you get up?
I got up around 7. I made some coffee, then I had breakfast.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had eggs and toast. Nothing special.
That sounds good. Did you go straight to work after breakfast?
Pretty much. I got ready quickly, then I drove to work.
How was the drive?
Not too bad. There was some traffic, but I wasn't late.
That's always good. What did you do when you got to work?
I checked my emails first. Then I talked to my coworkers. After that, I started my work.
What kind of work did you do?
I had a few things to finish. I also had a meeting.
How was the meeting?
It was okay. It wasn't very long.
That's good. Nobody likes a very long meeting.
Exactly. After the meeting, I went back to my desk.
Did you have lunch at work?
Yes, I had lunch with a coworker.
What did you eat?
I had rice and chicken. It was actually pretty good.
You always talk about food.
I know. Food is an important part of my day.
That's true. So what happened after lunch?
I finished some work, then I answered a few more emails. I left work around 5:30.
And then you went home?
Yes, I was pretty tired.
What did you do when you got home?
First, I changed my clothes. Then I sat down for a little while.
Did you take a nap?
I wanted to, but I knew I wouldn't sleep at night.
Good choice. What did you do instead?
I took a shower, then I made some dinner.
What did you make?
I made noodles. It was quick and easy.
Sounds perfect after a busy day.
Yeah, I didn't want to cook anything difficult.
Did you watch anything after dinner?
Yes, I watched a movie.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was pretty funny. I enjoyed it.
Did you watch the whole movie?
I did, but I was getting sleepy near the end.
What time did you go to bed?
Around 11.
That sounds like a pretty normal day.
It was. Nothing exciting happened, but it was a good day.
Sometimes a quiet day is a good day.
Exactly.
So, out of everything you did yesterday, what was your favorite part?
Probably the evening. I really enjoyed relaxing after work.
What did you like about it?
I didn't have anything else to do. I could just sit down and relax.
That sounds nice. Did you watch the movie alone?
Yeah, I watched it alone. Sometimes I like having some quiet time.
I understand. After a busy day, quiet time feels really good.
Exactly. I didn't check my work emails. I didn't think about tomorrow. I just enjoyed the movie.
That's a good way to spend an evening. What was the movie about?
It was a comedy. 2 friends went on a trip. A lot of funny things happened.
Was it actually funny?
Yeah, I laughed quite a few times.
Good. Sometimes you find a movie and it's not funny at all.
Exactly. Then you just sit there thinking, why am I still watching this?
I've done that before.
What about you? What did you do yesterday?
My day was pretty simple too. I went to work in the morning, then I met a friend after work.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
We went to a small cafe. We had coffee and talked.
What did you talk about?
A little bit of everything. Work, family, weekend plans.
That sounds like a good conversation.
It was. We hadn't talked in a few days, so we had a lot to catch up on.
How long did you stay?
About an hour. Then I went home.
Did you have dinner at home?
Yes. I made something simple.
What did you make?
Chicken, rice, and some vegetables.
That sounds good.
It was. I was hungry.
You were probably hungry after work.
I was. And after dinner, I cleaned the kitchen.
You cleaned right away?
Yes, I don't like leaving dishes overnight.
I do.
I knew it.
I tell myself, I'll do it later.
And do you?
Sometimes.
Sometimes means no.
Okay, usually no. What did you do after cleaning?
I listened to some music. Then I read for a little while.
What were you reading?
A book I've been reading recently.
Do you usually read at night?
Yes, it helps me slow down.
I like that. I usually watch something.
We're a little different.
Yeah, you read, I watch movies.
Both are relaxing.
Exactly.
What time did you go to bed?
Around 11.
Did you fall asleep quickly?
Not really. I was thinking about what I needed to do today.
That happens to me too.
I kept thinking, did I forget anything?
Did you?
I don't think so.
Good.
I checked my phone one last time, then I finally went to sleep.
So yesterday was a pretty normal day for both of us.
Yeah, but sometimes normal days are the best.
I agree. You don't need something exciting every day.
Exactly. Sometimes a good meal, a nice conversation, and a quiet evening are enough.
That's a good way to look at it.
Actually, there was one funny thing that happened to me yesterday.
What happened? What happened?
I was getting ready for dinner. I opened the fridge, and I realized I had almost no food left.
Really? What happened to all your food?
I don't know. I thought I had more.
What did you find?
1 egg, some cheese, and half a tomato.
That's not much.
I know. It looked a little sad in there.
So what did you do?
I made a very creative dinner.
What does that mean?
I made toast with egg and cheese.
Then you added the tomato. That actually sounds pretty good.
It wasn't bad. I was proud of myself.
See? You can cook.
A little, but I think I was more lucky than skilled.
That's still a win.
Exactly.
Did anything funny happen when you were eating?
Yeah, I dropped my spoon.
That's not very funny.
Normally no, but I dropped it twice.
Twice?
I picked it up, then I dropped it again.
Maybe you were more tired than you thought.
Probably. I just looked at the spoon and started laughing.
I know that feeling. Sometimes you're so tired that everything becomes funny.
Exactly.
Did anything funny happen when you were with your friend?
Actually, yes. My friend was telling me a story, and she suddenly forgot what she wanted to say.
What did she do?
She stopped and said, "Wait, what was I talking about?"
Did you remember?
No, we both forgot.
So the story just ended?
Pretty much.
That's funny.
We started talking about something else. Then 10 minutes later, she remembered the story.
That happens to me all the time.
Me too. Sometimes your brain just says, not right now.
Exactly. Did you do anything else yesterday?
Yes, I went for a short walk after dinner.
Why?
I wanted some fresh air, and I didn't want to sit on the couch right away.
How long did you walk?
About 20 minutes.
Did you walk alone?
Yes, I listened to music.
What kind of music?
Something slow and relaxing.
That sounds nice.
It was. The weather was cool, too.
That makes a walk much better.
Definitely. I felt better when I got home.
I like taking walks too. Sometimes you just need to get out of the house.
Exactly. Even a short walk can help.
What did you think about while you were walking?
Honestly, not much. I just listened to music.
That's nice. Sometimes it's good not to think too much.
Yeah, the whole day had been busy, so it was nice to slow down.
I understand. Yesterday sounds like a simple but pretty good day.
Yeah, I worked, I ate, I watched a movie, I took a walk.
And you survived your empty fridge.
Exactly.
That's important.
But now I need to go shopping.
Definitely. You can't have 1 egg for another dinner.
I know. Actually, I already made a shopping list.
What's on it? What's on the shopping list?
Eggs, cheese, tomatoes, bread, and some chicken.
That's a pretty good list.
Yeah, I don't want another dinner with 1 egg and half a tomato.
You need a better food plan.
I know. Maybe I should check my fridge before I go shopping.
That's a good idea. Otherwise, you might buy things you already have.
Exactly. I've done that before.
What did you buy?
Milk. Then I got home and found another bottle.
2 bottles of milk?
Yes.
That's not too bad.
It was when I found a 3rd bottle the next day.
3?
Don't ask questions.
Okay, I'm not asking. What about you? What did you do after reading last night? I got ready for bed. I put my phone away. Then I went to sleep.
What time?
Around 10:30.
That's early.
I was tired, and I wanted to sleep well.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I woke up feeling pretty good.
That's nice. I should probably do that more often.
Go to bed earlier?
Yes. And stop looking at my phone so late at night.
That's probably a good idea.
I know. But my phone and I have a complicated relationship.
Maybe your phone needs a break too.
Maybe.
So, if you had to choose one favorite part of yesterday, what would it be?
The evening. It was quiet. I had a good dinner. Then I watched a funny movie.
That sounds relaxing.
It really was. What about you?
I liked meeting my friend. It was nice to sit down and talk without rushing.
I think that's important.
Yeah, sometimes a simple conversation can make your day better.
Exactly.
Right. Yesterday wasn't exciting, but it was comfortable.
I like days like that.
Me too.
Would you want to do anything differently tomorrow?
Maybe start my evening a little earlier. I want more time to relax.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I'm going shopping.
Definitely.
And I'm going to check my fridge first.
Good plan.
Then maybe I'll cook dinner.
Look at you. You're becoming a real cook.
Let's not get carried away.
Fair enough.
Maybe I'll just make noodles again.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Exactly. Simple is good.
I agree. I think that's what we learned from yesterday.
What's that?
You don't need a perfect day to have a good day.
I like that.
Sometimes work, good food, a short walk, and a nice conversation are enough.
Exactly.
And maybe a funny movie?
Definitely.
Well, I'm glad we talked about yesterday.
Me too. It was nice remembering the little things.
Sometimes those are the best things to remember. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.